from the grade 2 ML class under the advisory of teacher Christy Casiano. She is only the daughter of Mark Heller and Debbie Saluta from Camellia Homes, Davao, Zami City. May I request the parents of Mia to stand? Thank you. Next, we have the smart and humble Caris Erosi Peña, still from grade 2 Emerald class, under the advisory of teacher Kitty Casiano. She is the bride of joy of Mr. and Mrs. May Ansi Pena from R.S. Tan Village, Manico, Lozami City. May I request the parents of Errol to stand? Thank you. And last but not least is the little courage of the grade 2 Emerald class. She is Shamili Augusta Robilia, under the advisory of teacher Christy Casiano. She is like the bright star in the family of Max Wenley and Josie John Ragusta from Purok Uro Baybay Chayon Puuza, Uzami City. With her right now is her ever supporting grandmother, whom she calls Mama Ian. May I request Shami's grandma to stand? Thank you. With great joy, let us welcome our speakers tonight, who will inspire us and bring honor to God through their words.